And honestly, I believe whatever BMW you guys have, it really needs this mod because look how good this looks. Good morning, y'all. So welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to the channel, my name's Kang, clocking in from KC. It's like 20 degrees outside. The sun has been a blessing. And for those who think 20 degrees is cold, in KC, this is like the nicest weather we've had this whole week. We've been in the negative degrees for a couple of days now, so I'm excited to actually work on the car. So today we're going to be replacing these ugly mirror caps. Those are all fingerprints and it just collects on the car. Look how ugly that is. So we're going to be replacing them with these a lot nicer fake, by the way, just in case you guys are wondering, fake M-inspired carbon fiber mirror caps.
Several days later.
Good morning again, guys. So a series of events happened and I wasn't able to install the carbon fiber mirror caps. Also, mind my voice, I don't know why it's like this. It is like 25 degrees in KC, but it is freezing without the sun. But so today we are actually gonna get the carbon fiber mirror caps PPF'd. It is at 9 o'clock. It's like about a 30-ish minute drive, so I have to leave at 8:30 and it's at 6:30 right now. So we picked up these pry tools yesterday and I mean, dude, these are like $8. So we'll use them, we'll try to see. Also, I figured a new way on how to open these mirror caps. Well, I saw a YouTube video. But the way they did this one was they pushed down the bottom of the mirror. That exposes that right there. That's the clip we're supposed to be getting out. There's one here and there's one on that side. So I'm gonna try that. Maybe it'll be easier too. So honestly, it is freezing, y'all. Also, hopefully this is not too dark because this camera isn't really the best with night light. So hopefully this isn't too dark for you guys and it's not too grainy.
A few minutes later.
So honestly, that was a lot easier than I thought it would be. There's a clip right here. All you really do is you push down on the mirror and you push it towards the car. So like that, so it leaves you a lot of room right there. So how that works is there are like two clips, right? I don't know if you guys see it. There are two clips. There's one clip on the bottom, there's one clip like right on top. And you have to press both of those at the same time and while pushing back on the actual mirror cap itself. And then you want to repeat that same step over here. Just move the mirror down and to the left or away from the car. Give you access to the back clip and there's one above it. Also, the sun is finally rising. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, sun's finally rising, so hopefully I get some sun right here. But the next step is there's supposed to be like I think 3 clips. There's one right here and then I think there's like 2 around here that you have to kind of pry open. I don't know how exactly to do it, so I'll figure it out. I'm kind of referring to this. So there's like 1 clip right there and then there's I guess 3 small clips right here. This is honestly a lot harder than it seems. I don't know how to get that little backside off. I had to repark real quick, but look how beautiful it's getting. Oh my gosh. Back to the car. Okay, I 100% just broke that clip. I'm not gonna lie, this part is kind of confusing. Like this, with this one, I had to use a pry tool and kind of go like upwards on it, like this. Like I'd kind of get in there and just kind of poke it out, which I thought would break some clips, and it sounded like it did, but looking at the actual mirror caps, it doesn't look like anything is broken. Oh wait, that might be broken right there. That actually might be broken, I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Yeah, and then once you guys do that little bolt right there, that is a T10 bolt, and just unscrew it. I was actually wrong. There was actually 2 of those T10 bolts. There's one right there and there's one right there, and now all we have to do is unclip that and it should just come off. I actually lied, you don't have to get rid of that. There's this clip right here, that little top piece. I can't show you guys, it's so hard. But that clip right there, you had to push it down while prying that little light thing off, and it should just come off. Look how good this looks. Dude, it looks so good. And I was watching the video, a lot of people were saying, yeah, theirs aren't flush. It looks kind of weird how not flush that is, but I mean, from afar it looks good. Up close it's kind of it's not that bad. Oh no, it is kind of bad over there. Like this part's fine, but when it gets in here, it's kind of like indented in there, but it's okay. It looks freaking amazing. I mean, these are also $80 Chinese ones, so I can't really complain. We got the other side on, and look at that, dude. Also, that one I messed up a lot more than I did on that one. That one I broke a couple of clips. This one I'm pretty sure I broke all of them. So maybe in the future we'll get that fixed. I wouldn't mind paying. Those carbon fiber mirror caps are on right now, and we are about to head to the PPF place. Per usual, we are late again. Also, I'm kind of sad I broke those clips in the side mirrors. I'm a bit of a perfectionist, and it... Uh-oh. Holy shit, 3 cars? But I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so it's kind of bothersome just even kind of thinking about the fact I broke those clips. Yeah, I don't know what to do right now. But yeah, not too far. They said it would take like 3 hours of PPF. Thankfully, in the first place, they're even accepting me because they said they normally only do PPF during the week. And, you know, I work the week. So, I mean, they were kind enough to fit me in, so I'll take it. That is a quick release, by the way. I can legit pull on it and it'll just snap right off. I did this one a lot better than that one. This one, it really was just a rush. Yeah, I'm about to pull up. See how nice our location is. Also, a buddy of mine might come pick me up, so. In his M3. I low-key should have had a professional do it, actually. I know this one place offered, but I only said no because they're like, oh, we don't do it during the weekend. I'm like, why? So it's kind of a bummer. Sheesh. This building looks sick. I think I've passed by here a couple of times before. Oh my gosh. I need lights like those in my garage. The mirrors are PPF'd. Also, I need to figure out how to fix that side because I was looking over here and I was looking at all the gaps and stuff. The right mirror is so much worse, so I'm gonna have to take a look at that. I think it is because I broke the clips, but I guess we'll find out. Dude, looks so ugly. Oh my gosh, look at that gap. Also, I think I figured it out. So, if you guys look here, see how there's a little bump? Pretty sure that's why the mirrors aren't actually fitting. So I don't know if I have to grind that down or something, but because I feel like if this one, right, that little bump is grinded down, then it will make this whole thing flush. You see how from there, the issue's starting there. So this mirror cap, it can't squeeze in because that bump is messing with it. Compared to whenever you're looking at this, look at that. There's no bump there, which makes it, you know, be able to get flushed. Also, the PPF, there's like a bubble. I think it's supposed to cure, but I'm not exactly too sure. It just, like, I could see it from afar, man. Golly. I messaged the guy about it though, because I figured out that issue, and I messaged them because I'm pretty sure this little bump right there is the reason it's like not actually fully flush. So I messaged the guy and he said he can give me a refund. I'm trying to see if I can get like a new unit or not, like a new pair of these. Not even a pair, just I want one mirror, that's it. But you know, it's from Alibaba, so it's probably nighttime for them and they're sleeping, so hopefully I can. How good this car looks, dude. Oh my gosh, it's all coming together. It is all coming together. Also, those M mirrors, M inspired mirrors, make the car look so good, dude. Oh my gosh. And honestly, I believe whatever BMW you guys have, it really needs this mod because look how good this looks. Oh my gosh, dude. The son's a paid actor. Jeez. That son is a paid actor, dude. Especially with a tint now on there. Next cosmetic mod is definitely getting that roof black because it will put the car together. Look at that, dude. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. It is actually really dirty though. I need to clean it. All that water spot and then all that salt. I need to clean this car ASAP. You guys think that's a big enough cone?
About my height.
Look at this. You guys prefer the LCI or the pre-LCI M340s? Because honestly, this car has been growing on me. Especially the front bumper and the headlights. It looks so much nicer. Yeah, dude, it's been growing on me hard. Oh my gosh. I don't know about the rear so much. The LCI screen definitely looks sick. iDrive 8. Oh, you guys can see it. This one looks sick. That was like brand new. Yeah, but I'm not the biggest fan of the rear bumper. But overall, the car looks so much nicer. Well, I wouldn't say so much nicer. I love the pre-LCI. Oh my gosh. This is goals right here, dude. M4 comp. What do you guys think about the new headlights on the M4s? M4s, M3s? The Viper styles? You guys fans of them? Oh, what is it? Snake Eyes? Woo. I love it. I like goals. Look at that beauty, dude. Oh my gosh. Look at that green. M5 Compo. Peanut butter? Land yacht. No, I actually like these new M5s. That's so sick. I don't know. I'm getting, it's growing on me, guys. It's growing on me hard. Especially this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at the lights. That's crazy. This honestly is my favorite blue. In a BMW, the individual Tarzanite blue. Oh my gosh. It's so shiny.